ORR 8 marks nana based on comparatively next chapter nuclear physics based on. Here nana first I explain long answer question. In the long answer question, the question is write Einstein photoelectric equation. Once again I repeat nana. First long answer question is Einstein photoelectric equation. I explain very easily nana. Please see this Einstein photoelectric equation. This is the metal plate nana. This is the metal plate nana. In the metal plate consists of large number of free electrons nana. Okay, large number of free electrons. Here this is the light nana. According to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packet, each packet is called quanta. Okay, here one packet release one electron, two packets release two electrons, n packets release n electrons. Here none. The equation is E. E means energy of incident light on metal plate. This energy of light utilized for two purposes. One is work function, another one is kinetic energy. Once again, నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన ఎనర్జీ 6 EV ఉంది అనుకుందాం. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ జస్ట్ ఎమిట్ అవ్వడానికి 2 EV రిక్వైర్. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ 4 EV ఎలక్ట్రాన్ మూవ్ అవ్వడానికి సరిపోతుంది. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్, 8 EV ఇచ్చావు, 2 EV ఎలక్ట్రాన్ జస్ట్ ఎమిట్, రిమైనింగ్ 6 EV to move the electron. Simply, energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. One is electron just emit. The energy required electron just emit, that is called work function. Remaining energy to move the electron. Once again I repeat, what is the Einstein photoelectric equation? E equal to W naught plus KE. Energy of incident light can be utilized for two purposes. Some part of the energy is electron just emit, remaining part of energy emitted electron moving. Hold. Part B is intensity of light. Intensity of light on photoelectric current. Intensity of light on photoelectric current. Once again I repeat the question. Here intensity of light changes. What happens to the photoelectric current? This is the question. This can be explained. Look here. This is the metal plate. Look here nana, metal plate. It is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Here inside the metal a large number of free electrons. I take another metal plate. This is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. This is the light, nana. Light, nana. Here, this light, according to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packets. Each energy packet is called photon. Now I discuss intensity of light. Simply, intensity of light defined as energy flowing per unit area, per unit time, ఇది ఒక ఫోటాన్. అలాంటి ఫోటాన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? n. This is the formula for intensity of light. Here the question agenda is intensity of light increases. Okay? According to formula, number of photons increases. Photon is nothing but the packet. One packet, one electron emitted. Two packet, two electron emitted. N packet, n electrons emitted. Simply, intensity of light increases, number of packets increases, number of electrons emission increases. Flow of charge is nothing but the current. Simply, number of electrons increases, its meaning current flow also increases. Simply, intensity of incident light increases, photoelectric current also increases. Simply, intensity of light directly proportional to photoelectric current. Simply, here, look here, nana. Intensity of light taken as x-axis, photoelectric current taken as y-axis. Both are directly proportional. Graph gives straight line. Very important, 8 marks. And also this short answer 1. Simply both are same. Short answer ide, long answer ide చేశా. ఇక ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ ని నీట్ గా మీరు లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ లో రాయాలి, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ లో రాయాలి. లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ లో పార్ట్ ఏంటి? రైట్ ఐన్స్టీన్ ఫోటో ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఆన్ కరెంట్, ఫోటో కరెంట్. ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. Intensity of light increases, number of photons increases, number of electrons emission increases, flow of charge is nothing but the current. Simply, intensity increases, photoelectric current also increases. Hold. PD on iron. Simply, potential difference on photoelectric current. This is also short answer and one of the part of the long answer. Look here, Nana. Kiran, start chedam. This is the metal plate, Nana. Metal plate consists of large number of free electrons. This is the light, Nana. Here, certain frequency of light incident. According to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packets. Each energy packet is called photon. Here, this is another metal plate. This first plate connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This plate connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Look here now. This is called cathode. This is called anode. Okay, Nana? Look here. Here, light fall, Nana. electron emitted. This negative electron have negative charge. Negative repel. Because of potential difference, this is minus, this is plus. Here, because of potential difference, charge flow is nothing but the current. Simply, this negative is more negative. This positive is more positive. Simply, PD increases. Simply, potential difference increases. Potential difference increases. Automatically, current also increases according to Ohm's law. PD between the plates increases. Here, flow of charge is nothing but the current. Simply, PD increases. Electric current also increases. Okay? Here, more negative, more repulsion, more flow. Okay, Nana? Here, PD increases, current also increases. Current increases, and finally it reaches the saturated value. Simply, PD increases, current flow in the circuit also increases. Current increase, it reaches the maximum value. Maximum value of current is called saturated current. Okay? Next now. For example, here reverse PD applied. Look here, Nana. Reverse PD applied. Reverse PD means here this negative terminal is removed. It is connected to positive terminal. Here positive is removed. Here connected is negative. Simply potential difference is reverse. Okay, here minus దగ్గర ఏం కలిపాం ప్లస్ దగ్గర ఏం కనెక్ట్ చేసాం మైనస్. హియర్ దిస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అట్రాక్ట్. సింప్లీ హియర్ నన్ను PD increases, reverse PD increases, electric current decrease, finally current becomes zero. Nana, ఈ పాజిటివ్ ఇలా వెళ్ళే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇట్ రిమూవ్ బ్యాక్, ఇట్ రీట్రేస్డ్ బ్యాక్. సింప్లీ వెనక్కి వస్తుందంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి కరెంట్ ఫ్లో ఏమైంది డిక్రీజ్. రివర్స్ పీడీ ఇంక్రీజెస్, సింప్లీ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో డిక్రీజ్. ఫైనల్లీ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో ఇన్ ద సర్క్యూట్ ఈజ్ జీరో. Current flow in the circuit is zero. The corresponding reverse PD is called as stopping potential. What is the stopping potential? Stopping potential is a reverse PD. Stopping potential is a reverse PD. The reverse PD, that means the negative potential at which photoelectric current is zero. This corresponding reverse PD is called stopping potential. It is denoted by V0. Here the graph is drawn between stop potential taken as x-axis, current taken as y-axis. Here potential increases, current flow increases. Here this is left side, reverse PD. The reverse PD increases, photoelectric current is zero. The corresponding reverse PD is called stopping potential. This is for a given intensity of light. Here PD increases, current also increases, it reaches the maximum value. PD is reverse, current decrease. On the x-axis, y becomes 0. Simply here, current becomes 0. The corresponding potential is called stopping potential. Look here. Frequency of incident light. This is the metal plate. Metal plate consists of large number of electrons. This is light. Here energy of incident light can be utilized two purposes. One is electron just emit and remaining energy is electron. Okay. Here E formula is H nu. This is W naught plus Ke. Okay, look here now. Ke. Any problem? The question is frequency of incident light is increases. What happens? The energy increases. Look here now. Frequency of incident light increases, energy of incident light increases. Initial ga ఇది 6 ఉంది, ఇది 2, ఇది 4 ఉంది. అంటే 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎమిట్, 4 అనేది ఎలక్ట్రాన్ మూవ్. నౌ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఏం చేశాను? ఇంక్రీజ్. ఎనర్జీ 6 నుంచి ఎంత అయింది? 7. వర్క్ ఫంక్షన్ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. It always constant for a given metal. 2. Here 6 becomes 7. 2 means 2 plus 5. Simply 5. 2 plus 5. Simply here energy increases automatically, which is increase kinetic energy. For example, energy 8 ఇచ్చారు. Work function 2. Automatic kinetic energy 6. Simply frequency of incident light increases, kinetic energy of electron also increases. Once again repeat, one important point notice. Frequency of incident light increases. What happens? The kinetic energy of emitted electron increases. In this situation, more kinetic energy, this will be stopped, more reverse PD is applied. Simply kinetic energy of emitted electron increases, it is stopped by using more applying the stopping potential. More applying the stopping potential. This is the relation between kinetic energy and stopping potential. More emitting kinetic energy of electrons, more stopping potential is required. Simply look here now. Simply what is the Einstein photoelectric equation? E equal to W naught plus Ke. Ke write as EV naught. Here energy formula is H nu. W naught formula is H nu naught plus EV naught. Here V naught is the stopping potential. According to this situation, the formula for EV naught is H nu minus H nu naught. Simply V naught equal to H by E nu minus H nu naught by E. Okay, this is the formula for stopping potential. Once again I repeat, here EV naught. Graph is drawn between, look here now, Here graph is drawn between, look here, this is stopping potential taken as y-axis, here frequency taken as x-axis. Look here all of you, stopping potential taken as y-axis, frequency taken as x-axis. Here look here, this is analogous to the slope equation. The slope equation is y equal to mx minus c. Here, this is the slope equation. Why here not start the origin? Because electron emitted minimum frequency required. The minimum frequency is threshold frequency. Up to here no electron emitted. After emitting of electron, frequency of light increases, kinetic energy also increases. So that's why more stopping potential required to stop the electron. This is the graph of the stopping potential and frequency. Okay, Nana? Very important notice, Nana. Hold. The third short answer. Explain the photon picture, Nana. Explain the photon picture. In the photon, according to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packets. Each energy packet is quanta. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Once again I repeat. According to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packet. Each energy packet is called photon. According to this situation, photon not a particle. It is a form of energy. Photon not a particle. It is a form of energy. It's not a particle. That's why its rest mass of the photon is, Nana, it's not a particle. That's why its rest mass is 0. Okay. Next, Nana. It's not a particle. Its rest mass is 0. Nana, here. It's not a chargeless particle. It's a chargeless particle. Chargeless means electrical force formula EQ, magnetic force formula QVB sin theta. Photon is a chargeless, that means Q is 0, electrical force 0, magnetic force 0. Simply photon is a chargeless particle. That's why photon is a chargeless particle. That's why it does not deflected by electrical field and magnetic field. Okay. Next, what is the formula for energy of photon? H nu. In the chemistry, frequency formula is C by lambda. This is the energy of photon formula. Short answer question, Nana. What is the explanation of photon? According to Planck quantum theory, light in the form of energy packet, each packet is called photon. Photon is not a particle, it's a form of energy. That's why its rest mass is 0 and photon is a chargeless particle. That's why It's not deflected by electrical field. It's not deflected by electrical field and magnetic field. Okay, energy of photon is h nu over hc by lambda. This is the third short answer question. Next one. For mass of the ball is 0.12 kg. Speed of the ball is 20 meter per second. Here, what can we infer from result? Here, find de Broglie wavelength. Question is, mass of the ball is given, velocity of the ball is given, find de Broglie wavelength. We know that de Broglie wavelength formula. Lambda is h by mv. h by mv. Here. H is the Planck's constant. Its value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. Mass value is given 12 into 10 power minus 2. Velocity is given 20. It will be solution. It will be calculate. Finally we get 2.7 into 10 power minus 34 meters. Look here. Here minus 34 is a very small value. Its meaning is momentum is more, automatically de Broglie wavelength is less. Simply here wavelength is less, its meaning is momentum of the ball is more. This is very important short answer question. Okay? Hold.